Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use average function in WPS spreadsheet. If we want to use this function, we need the correct data. So here we have a number of sales. If we want to get the average number of sales from this data, we need to click double time, for example, somewhere here, because here we want to insert this average function. And now we need to type here equal sign, we need to type here average, and after that we need to open the bracket. And we need to select the range of the data. So I select here the number of sales. And after that, I need to close this bracket and I need to press enter. So now we have the result of average function. So it is our result 22.75. But of course, remember about that if you will change this data, then the result will be changed automatically. For example, if you will change the 50 to 100 and you will press enter, you will see that the result has been successfully changed. And now it is updated to 29. So in this way you can use average function in WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.